Induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, are embryonic-like cells with the dual ability to self-renew and to differentiate into many cell types in the body. This outstanding potential makes them a powerful foundation for cell therapy systems, with the potential to regenerate damaged tissues or create targeted cancer treatments. Our journey begins with peripheral blood mononuclear cells, PBMCs. The Gibco CTS portfolio helps provide GMP-manufactured, safety-tested reagents backed by comprehensive regulatory documentation specifically designed for clinical and commercial cell and gene therapy manufacturing. Today we'll explore how the Gibco iPSC to iNK cell workflow transforms this potential into scalable therapies for cancer treatment. Our journey begins with peripheral blood mononuclear cells, PBMCs, isolated using the Gibco CTS Rotailleur counterflow centrifugation system. In under 30 minutes, we achieve high recovery rates comparable to traditional fecal methods, but with the added benefit of a closed system. These PBMCs are then reprogrammed using the Invitrogen CTS Cytotune IPS 2.1 Sendai kit, creating induced pluripotent stem cells through integration-free reprogramming. Sendai virus clearance can be achieved in as early as 8 passages, supporting safety and regulatory requirements. PBMCs are reprogrammed using the 3 Cytotune Sendai vectors at a recommended MOI, with a 24-hour transduction period. The emergent iPSC lines then display characteristic colony morphology with defined borders and tightly packed cells, expressing key pluripotency markers including TRA160, TRA181, and SSEA4. Together, these confirm the successful establishment of induced pluripotent stem cell lines. Following transduction, the cells are transitioned to a feeder-free culture system using Gibco CTS StemFlex medium. Around day 12, distinct iPSC colonies begin to emerge, displaying the characteristic morphology of tightly packed cells with defined borders. These high-quality colonies are now ready for the next critical step: selection and expansion. Individual colonies are carefully selected and picked based on their optimal morphology. They are then expanded on fresh CTS vitronectin-coated plates in CTS StemFlex medium to establish clonal lines. This robust medium supports long-term culture, sustaining karyotype integrity and maintaining expression of pluripotency markers like OCT4 and NAN-OG. Our Gibco CTS TrueCut Cas9 proteins, combined with Invitrogen TrueDesign genome editor software, enable targeted modifications, whether creating CAR-expressing cells or knocking out inhibitory receptors. With PSCs established and characterized, we can now engineer these cells for improved therapeutic potential. Using the Invitrogen Neon Next electroporation system, we help deliver CRISPR-Cas9 complexes with efficiency. These newly engineered lines can be maintained and expanded in CTS StemFlex medium, which supports robust long-term culture. For larger scale requirements, iPSCs can be transitioned to CTS stem scale PSC suspension medium, enabling consistent PSC expansion in large volumes, supporting the journey from research scale to clinical scale production. The transformation from iPSC to induced natural killer cells occurs over 38 days using Gibco CTS StemPro 34 serum-free xeno-free medium and our empirically optimized cytokine cocktail made with Gibco PeproGMP cytokines. During the process of differentiation, we monitor the emergence of key markers such as CD45, CD56, and CD16 as iNK cells acquire their cytotoxic potential. Gibco CTS NK expander medium then enriches and expands these iNK cells in the absence of feeder cells, maintaining their potent cytotoxic capabilities whilst preserving essential surface markers. Full characterization of iNKs by flow cytometry confirms expression of activation markers, including NKG2D, NKP46, and DNAM1. Functional assays demonstrate robust cytotoxicity against target cells, including engineered patient-derived tumoroids. Our cryopreservation protocols, utilising the Gibco CTS PSC cryopreservation kit, enable stable banking of differentiated iNK cells whilst maintaining cell viability, expansion potential, and function upon thawing. Together, these results describe the quality and utility of the differentiated iNK cells. This rigorous process yields a final iNK cell product that is fully characterized and functionally verified. Flow cytometry confirms expression of activation markers like NKG2D and NKP46, while cytotoxicity assays demonstrate their potent, target-specific killing of patient-derived tumoroids. From PBMCs to functional iNK cells, the Gibco iPSC to iNK cell workflow represents the convergence of scientific rigour and manufacturing scalability. With a broad catalogue of GMP-ready reagents and comprehensive technical support, Thermo Fisher Scientific makes your transition from discovery to clinical manufacturing a reality